Hello everyone, I am Dr. D, aka Food Alchemist. Today we're going to bring you a vegan, gluten-free burger. So here are some of the things that I have. I made a cilantro avocado sauce. I have garlic powder. I have curry, cayenne pepper mixed with chili powder. Also parsley. I also got fenugreek. I also have cumin and coriander. Okay. Then I have my carrots. Then I have my onions chopped up. I have celery. And I have lentils and chickpeas. I have walnuts. I have aquafava, which is chickpeas that was put in a KitchenAid mixer and mixed up until foamy consistency. I also have some masa for thickening. Also have some almonds. You can use walnuts or Brazilian nuts, so things to replace if you like. So what I did is I started some of it to give it a chunky beginning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it over to the Vitamixer, and then we're going to go over to the cast iron skillet and we're going to begin to fry. So I'll be right back after I finish whizzing. We are back, and now I have basically whizzed that together, and as you can see, it's some really good consistency because we want it to have a bite. We don't want it to be all mush like baby food. I'm not a mushy kind of baby food kind of a person. So what we're going to do is that we're going to take some carrots. Have some carrots here chopped up with some little red peppers, and these are spicy wingamadiggers. They are spicy, I'm telling you. So this should lighten it up and give it color. And then we're going to add the onion. As my famous French chef would say, onion. He was from, what was it, the Bayou down there in New Orleans. And he was Cajun. Alright, I'm going to put some celery in here. Oh, it smells so delicious and nutritious. So let's stir this up and see what it looks like. Does it look chunky enough to you? I hope it looks chunky enough to you. Looks good. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, still not finished. Want to add, as I said, the nuts. Nuts for the butts. So that's that. Stir it up again. Look at that. You know, this is going to make a good burger. And with this, I would suggest serving jicama French fries, which you'll see on my Instagram. Now I'm going to add in the seasonings. Okay. And you want to taste it, which I am going to taste to make sure that it's good consistency. Like you're folding a dough. If you know about folding, this is folding. And you just keep folding until it's mixed in properly. Okay. Then we're going to add the masa. Okay. Look at that. What would you say? Would you think of this as a good burger? It's doing good. It is doing fabulous. Look at that. Consistency. Make me not want to add the aquafava. But I want to lighten it up a little bit. But not so light. Okay. Let's do Come on. There we go. Okay, guys. You're going to see these beautiful pictures on Instagram. And you guys, if you really want to know about more recipes, vegans, gluten-free, and want to be updated, go to the notification bell and push that. But also subscribe, and please like this video. And if you have any comments that you would like to make, please feel free to do so. If you have a comment that you would like to see a video, let me know, and I'll be sure to happy to fit it in. So look at that. That's pretty good, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to heat up our frying pan and cast iron skillet, which should have been going, but evidently not. So I'm going to turn it on. You want to hear a click, click, click? There we go. And we're going to wait for it to heat up a little bit. Look at that. And if you want to find this recipe, you can find it on drdmedphysician.com and a PDF file. You just request and contact, and I will send you a PDF file of the recipe and the ingredients and exact measurement amount. And you can place your order, and I'll be sure to get back to you within 24 to 72 hours after replacing your order. So we're still waiting. We're getting... Okay, now I got a ice cream scoop that I'm going to put down, and it's going to be in screaming hot burgers. I'm going to put another scoop in there. Look at that. They're frying like a champ. I'm going to see if I can get over here. My stove is a little lopsided, so please forget that.
That's not going to wear that flush.
So, I'm going to use this. Look at that. I'm going to let it get hard. Ooh, if y'all could smell the aromas in here, it smells really, really good. If y'all could smell the aromas coming from here. Uh-oh, turned too soon.